Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Jessica M., just 24, sits atop the windswept hill in her hometown of Fort Collins, Colorado. It's a scene of serenity, yet behind her calm expression lies a shocking truth. She retired early, leaving her 9-to-5 job behind to embrace financial independence through the FIRE movement. In 2020, the financial independence retire early movement gained momentum among millennials, but Jessica took it a step further. Growing up in a middle-class family, she understood the importance of money management early on. At 18, she opened a savings account, diligently saving 50% of her income from odd jobs. By 20, she was a full-time data analyst earning $60,000 a year. But her real journey began when she discovered the FIRE blogs and podcasts, inspirational tales of people retiring years before traditional age. Jessica felt a fire ignite within her. She envisioned a life full of travel, creativity, and experiences rather than a desk job. So she made a pivotal choice, aggressively cutting her expenses and seeking side hustles, propelling her closer to a dream no one thought possible: retirement at 24. The road to early retirement wasn't a straight path for Jessica. In mid-2021, she faced the harsh reality of financial sacrifices. Jessica considered her lifestyle and realized tough choices were mandatory to accelerate her savings. With a determination greater than her peers, she sold her expensive wardrobe on secondhand platforms and swapped daily lattes for homemade brews, cutting around $500 monthly from her budget. She cancelled her gym membership, opting for free outdoor workouts instead. Dining out was replaced by weekly meal prepping. Yet, the most significant gamble was her decision to live with 3 roommates, significantly slashing her rent. Critics called it extreme, and friends expressed envy when she turned down social invitations. Still, Jessica thrived through these challenges, motivated by her vision for the future. Alongside frugal living, she harnessed the power of side hustles, designing websites for local businesses at night and tutoring students on weekends. By early 2022, she saved an impressive $120,000, enough to cover her living expenses for years. But as numbers climbed, doubt crept in, and her resolve would soon face a greater test. By the summer of 2022, Jessica's optimistic outlook began to crumble under the weight of doubt. Despite her substantial savings, she questioned the sustainability of her path. Friends who pursued traditional careers thrived, while she felt isolated and overwhelmed by uncertainty. The pivotal question haunted her: was she truly ready to retire at 24? Days merged into nights as she double-checked her budget, every expense, every savings goal. She feared losing everything she'd worked for if market conditions turned. Anxiety gripped her mind, causing sleepless nights as she scrutinized her investments in index funds, unsure if they would provide the safety net she craved. The social pressure increased too. "What will you do all day?" became a familiar refrain. A turning point came unexpectedly when Jessica discovered a community on social media of like-minded individuals pursuing the FIRE dream. Their shared experiences, triumphs, and failures reignited her passion. They gave her a realization: early retirement was not just about rest, but having the freedom to pursue her true passions without financial constraints. This camaraderie became her lifeline. By fall of 2022, empowered by newfound encouragement, Jessica decided to take a leap of faith. The painting on her canvas became a symbol of rebirth. Inspired by creative pursuits, she enrolled in art classes, exploring her passion for painting and design. It marked a significant shift. Instead of fearing her impending retirement, she chose to embrace it. With her savings and side hustle income, she had a safety net that bronzed her confidence. Yet, on one fateful day, she stumbled upon a life-changing opportunity: a local art exhibition seeking submissions from emerging artists. The deadline was 5 weeks away, and she resolved to create a series showcasing her unique perspective on life after early retirement. Late nights consumed in her newfound studio became a mantra of creation. When the day arrived to submit her work, trepidation clashed with hope. Would critics embrace her bold vision? Would she finally find validation in her art? A wave of anxiety swallowed her, but her determination shined brighter, paving her way toward a destiny she could claim. The moment of truth came on a chilly November evening as Jessica checked her email for the exhibition results. Heart racing, she opened the message. "Congratulations, your artwork has been selected." Euphoria washed over her, crumbling any lingering doubts. This was more than recognition. It solidified her journey from data analyst to artist, unveiling a deeper identity she had long suppressed. Garnering attention at the exhibition, her pieces resonated with viewers. Her story inspired many, and she felt an electrifying connection among those who shared similar aspirations. Sales of her artwork skyrocketed, generating income that further launched her side hustles into a profitable venture. But along with success came challenges. Balancing newfound fame with financial independence required strategic planning. Jessica fiercely protected her time, setting boundaries to focus on her craft. In a matter of months, commissions flooded in, diversifying her income streams. With each stroke of her brush, Jessica not only painted vibrant canvases, but also crafted a new reality, shifting from fear to self-discovery. By the beginning of 2023, Jessica fully embraced her new life. No office politics, no deadlines, just the open world awaiting her exploration. With her financial independence secured, she traveled to national parks, painting landscapes that captivated her spirit. Tuscany, Colorado, and Utah filled her art portfolio with breathtaking views and joy. Each brushstroke echoed her journey, a story of resilience, courage, and self-discovery. Jessica launched an online course, sharing her story and strategies with aspiring artists, bringing her lessons to life through workshops that promoted financial literacy and creative freedom. The joyous connections rekindled her passion for teaching, inspiring others to rewrite their scripts. Yet amidst this whirlwind of newfound vitality, challenges persisted. Balancing travel and art demands strained her time and finances, urging careful planning to maintain her fiscal discipline, embraced during her first FIRE journey. However, she realized that every challenge represented an opportunity for growth and reconnection to her earlier self. Jessica transformed not just her financial landscape, but redefined life on her own terms, fueled by the belief that retirement wasn't an end, but rather the beginning of something profound. On a crisp morning in May 2023, at a mountaintop bathed in radiant sunrise, Jessica experienced her turning point of clarity. Sitting in silence, she reflected on her journey and how financial independence didn't translate solely into early retirement, but into embodying freedom and purpose. The weight of societal norms dissolved in the golden light, and she realized retirement was a state of mind, not merely a destination. Where others saw limitations, Jessica envisioned more, an expansive life enriched by adventure, creativity, and community connection, breaking traditional molds. With rekindled vision, she decided to scale her teachings, branching into an online platform dedicated to guiding young adults on financial independence. She understood that by sharing stories of others who had navigated the complexities of money, she could help inspire previously unaware individuals to ditch societal pressures. This became a mission born of gratitude for her journey, empowering others to envision their possibilities. With clarity came renewed energy and focus. Her art merged with her newfound purpose. More than ever, Jessica was determined to help others craft their unique narratives, transforming her remarkable journey into a beacon of hope. Jessica's journey paints a powerful narrative of resilience, calculated risks, and the pursuit of passion. The lesson rings clear: financial independence isn't merely an escape from work, it's freedom to pursue what truly ignites our souls. Her early retirement transformed into a decade of rediscovery, revealing the vast potential within life beyond corporate confines. Embrace frugality, invest wisely, and understand that true wealth lies in experiences and connections, not possessions or societal validation. Whether it's through art, travel, or entrepreneurship, Jessica has lived out her truth while helping others navigate their financial paths. The poignant reminder remains: it's never too early or late to redefine your relationship with money, chart your journey, and step boldly into your unknown. Will you take the first step towards your financial freedom today? Join the Wealth Code community, where financial independence and life's passions fuse for a brighter future. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.